PayPal and Tesla stock have tanked. Both of these are completely overblown, sell the news nonsense. Let's discuss. I'm Brian, the Finance Ninja. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla stock cratered 12% after the earnings report. It is ludicrous. There was nothing on the call or the earnings report that was a surprise to anybody paying attention. It's just insane. We already knew on January 2nd what the delivery numbers were. That means that we knew Q4 revenues plus or minus a few percent. Tesla met their deliveries for the year, 1.8 million. Boom. Met. Analysts seemed shocked that 50% wasn't sustainable. That is just stupid. I mean, the Model Y is already the best-selling car in the world. ICE or electric or anything, but the best-selling ever, or not ever, in the world. How much higher do you expect it to go? To Mars? Elon mentioned on the call that Tesla delivered 1.2 million Model Ys in 2023. The Model 3 sells well too. The only Tesla product in early ramp is the Cybertruck, and that just came out. And that will max out at 250,000. This is all known stuff. I don't know why people act surprised. Back in December on my Patreon, you can see it here, I created a Tesla vehicle estimated sales chart going out to 2032. Now I'm making this public for you to see how a 50% sustained sales growth just isn't possible. Look at the chart. The single highest year in terms of growth that I estimated was 2026, which is when the compact car will be ramping. Even that doesn't hit 50%. This is the only year to even cross 40% after 2022. I only had 3 years in the 30s. If Tesla hits these growth numbers, then he'll be at 18,750,000 cars yearly by 2032. Now, I'll be adjusting these numbers since now we know that 2024 won't cross 35%, but that doesn't change my point. Let me show myself again. Now next is FSD12. This is going to be amazing. FSD12 has gone out to whole Mars catalog. And guess what? He has been posting videos of it. FSD Beta 12 can park curbside or in a stall. It is a smoother driving experience than ever before. It is more human-like. FSD is real, and its progress is up on YouTube for the world to see. Now go watch the whole Mars catalog videos. They are amazing. Tesla just needs to, fix a few bugs before V12 goes wide in a few weeks. This is a alpha build. This is not the beta build. This is not the wide release. He sort of got it early before anybody else. He's lucky. I wish I had it. Now I'm going to share with you some exciting news that just came out about Tesla's plans to build a new mass electric vehicle codenamed Redwood in mid-2025. And Elon also mentioned this on the call. Now this is huge, guys. I'm going to tell you why. First of all, let's talk about what we know about this new model. According to Reuters, Tesla sent requests for quotes to suppliers last year and forecast weekly production volume of 10,000 vehicles. That's right, 10,000 vehicles per week, which means 520,000 vehicles per year. Now, one thing I don't know is if this is just the version with a steering wheel or combined with the non-steering wheel version. Now, what kind of vehicle is this Redwood model? Well, two sources described it as a compact crossover, which we kind of already knew about, which is one of the most popular segments in the global auto market. This will be massive in Europe and Asia. This new model is not just a cheap car. It's a cheap car that will have the best design, the best technology, and the best performance in the class. Elon Musk said last year that both the design of the products and manufacturing techniques are head and shoulders above anything else that is present in the industry. And he reiterated this on the call recently, yesterday, I think it was. And he also said that Tesla is working on 2 new products with the potential for combined sales of 5 million units a year. That's right, 5 million units a year. That makes today's 1.8 million seem like small potatoes. And you know what else is amazing about this new model? It's also going to be a dedicated self-driving taxi with a futuristic look. And I'm sure that when Tesla launches its robotaxi service, it's going to be a game changer for the transportation industry and a huge source of revenue for Tesla and its owners. Imagine owning a Tesla that can drive itself and make money for you while you sleep. How awesome is that? There's going to be a breakthrough product that will take Tesla to the next level of growth and profitability and cement its position as the leader of the EV revolution. And this is why I'm still bullish on Tesla and why I think you should be too. Tesla is not just a car company. It's a technology company, a software company, and a battery company, and a robotaxi company. And it's a company that has a vision to make the world a better place by accelerating the transition to sustainable energy. Now, ultimately, you have to ask yourself a question. Are you planning to cash out this year? Do you need your money this year? Are you going to sell this year? Does this year make any difference to you? Or do you have a 5-year horizon? 10-year? I've been a Tesla investor since 2016, and I see absolutely no change to my investment thesis. I'll be holding Tesla until my thesis changes or I retire. That's basically it. If you're a long-term investor like me, there is nothing that has come out this year to change my thoughts on the company. But more important is, what are your thoughts on the latest Tesla news? Comment down below what you are doing with Tesla stock. Moving on to PayPal. PayPal crashed 3.7% yesterday. Let's see why. PayPal has been at the forefront of the digital commerce revolution for more than 25 years and has a loyal and growing customer base of nearly 400 million customers and 35 million merchants worldwide. But PayPal is not resting on its laurels. The company recently announced six new innovations that it is piloting and bringing to market this year, and they are nothing short of amazing. And the quick turnaround is great too. These innovations leverage the power of artificial intelligence to deliver personalized and seamless experiences for both merchants and consumers. Now let me give you a quick overview of the 6 innovations and why I think they will make PayPal the undisputed leader in the e-commerce space. First, PayPal is introducing a completely new checkout experience that will speed up the checkout process by as much as 50% and enable customers to log in with their face or fingerprints with one tap. This will reduce friction and increase conversion rates for merchants and provide convenience and security for customers. Second, PayPal is launching Fastlane by PayPal, a new one-click guest checkout experience that will allow shoppers to make a fast and painless purchase without creating an account or remembering a password. This will expand PayPal's reach to more customers and merchants and make online shopping more accessible and enjoyable. Third, PayPal is rolling out Smart Receipts, a feature that will give customers AI personalized recommendations for merchants along with cashback reward offers on their receipts. This will create more value and loyalty for customers and more opportunities for merchants to re-engage and upsell their customers. Fourth, PayPal is building an advanced offers platform that will enable merchants to provide relevant, personalized, real-time offers to customers based on their actual purchase history across the web. This will increase the effectiveness and efficiency of marketing campaigns for merchants and the relevance and satisfaction of offers for customers. Fifth, PayPal is reinventing its consumer app to give shoppers new ways to earn cash back and more reasons to use PayPal. The app will feature Cash Pass, a service that will give customers access to hundreds of exciting personalized cashback offers from top brands. Customers will be able to stack the rewards with other PayPal products, such as the PayPal Cashback MasterCard, and put their cashback into a PayPal savings account and earn more on top. Sixth, I'll do it like this. Sixth, PayPal is enhancing Venmo's business profiles to help small businesses be discovered and grow. Venmo is PayPal's popular social payments app that has a community of more than 90 million active accounts. The enhanced business profiles will add subscribe buttons, profile rankings, and the ability to offer promotions to consumers, bringing powerful new ways for businesses to drive traffic, generate sales, and more meaningfully grow their businesses through increased visibility in the Venmo app. Now, these are just some of the highlights of the 6 innovations that PayPal is introducing this year. I think they are game changers for the e-commerce industry, and they will give PayPal a competitive edge over its rivals. And the main reason is that PayPal has more data than its rivals. PayPal has 25% of the e-commerce industry. So they have the data needed for all of this. Now, PayPal is not only solving real customer pain points, but also creating new value propositions and growth opportunities for both merchants and consumers. Now, that's why I'm bullish on PayPal. So yesterday was a Sell the News day. These features will increase merchant conversion rates and increase branded checkouts. Uh-oh, there's only one seat left on my $1 Patreon special. Next one in gets it. He'll get access to my valuation spreadsheets, investment analysis reports, and exclusive Patreon portfolio access, among others. Now, there's a 7-day free trial, so if you don't like it, you can opt out within 7 days and not pay a dime. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.